myself, Dr. Sushma Jain, Associate Professor Chemistry, Government Dungar College, Bikaner. Today, I shall discuss about the second part of orientation and reactivity in aromatic electrophilic substitution. In the previous lecture, we have seen that electronic effects decide the orientation. That is the position of new entering group in monosubstituted benzene. The any group which stabilize the intermediate cation, it activates the ring. And the groups which destabilize the intermediate cation, it deactivates the ring. Now today, the four set principles may be explained by examples. Explanation for directive influence of all ortho and para directing group except the halogen and alkyl group. These includes the groups such as NH2, NHR, OH, OCH3, etc. In this type of the groups, the oxygen and nitrogen atom is directly attached to the benzene ring. Therefore, exert the minus I effect by pulling the electron from the benzene ring, and also these groups exert the plus R effect by donating the lone pair of the electrons to the benzene ring. Here, the electrophile attack at the benzene ring of aniline, and it forms this type of the resonating structure. At ortho attack, the four resonating structures are formed, and for para attack, these also four resonating structures are formed. But in case of meta attack, only three resonating structures is formed, and we know that the more the number of resonating structure, more will be the stability of the intermediate cation. Therefore, in case of these, the preferred orientation is ortho and para. The major product will be the ortho para rather than meta. The greater stability of these intermediate cation can be explained that here in case of ortho attack, the one more structure 4 is formed, and in case of para attack also this 4 structure is formed. This structure has extra stability due to the each hydrogen atom has duplet of the electrons and each carbon atom has octet of the electrons. In this structure, the one more covalent bond is formed, and we know that the formation of covalent bond is done by the release of the energy. Therefore, this structure is more stable structure, and stability of structure also affect the value of delta F, and therefore the rate of reaction for ortho para attack will be greater than the benzene. In case of meta attack, the no one more structure which gives it is their stability not formed here. Therefore, the meta orientation is not preferred, and the meta product is formed in very less quantity. Here also the two effects are working. The minus I effect are also working here. The electrons from this carbon atom is pulling, therefore this structure is less stable, and also this structure is less stable. But in case of ortho and para attack, the more stable structure is formed. Therefore the preferred orientation will be the ortho and para. But in case of meta attack, this type of the stable structure is not formed, and therefore the preferred orientation is not meta, and the major product will be the ortho and para, and minor product will be the meta product. Due to strong R plus R effect, then minus I effect. This is also be explained by the energy profile diagram. For the ortho and para attack, the intermediate cation formed which has less amount of the energy, and the energy of activation for forming this intermediate cation is less than the benzene, and the intermediate cation for benzene is less than that of the meta attack. Therefore, In general, the stability of intermediate cation in case of ortho-para takes enhance the rate of reaction at this position than meta-take, and therefore the proportion of ortho and para isomer will increases in the final product, and the rate of reaction for ortho-para take is greater than benzene, and benzene is greater than meta-take. Now taking second example, explanation for directive influence of halogen. Here, the electrophile attack on the halobenzene and forms four type of the resonating structures, and also at para-attack these four type of the resonating structures also formed, but in case of the meta-attack only three type of the resonating structure formed. Here the chlorine atom exert the minus I effect and the plus R effect. The minus I effect decrease the stability of this resonating structure, but at the same time the plus R effect, by donating the lone pair of electron to the benzene ring, this structure 4 is formed in case of ortho-attack, and these structures also formed in case of the para-attack. Therefore, the ortho and para orientation is preferred, and the new coming group goes to the ortho position or to the para position. The major product will be the ortho and para product. Here, the minus I effect working of the Cl, this minus I effect is near about equal to the plus R effect of the Cl. Therefore, the whole ring will be the deactivated, and the rate of reaction for halobenzene is less than that of the benzene itself. This can also be explained on the basis of energy profile diagram. Here, the delta value for benzene is less than that of the ortho and para-attack, and the value of intermediate cation for meta-attack is greater than the ortho and para-attack. Therefore, the less the value of delta M, therefore greater the rate of the reaction. Therefore, the rate of reaction of benzene is greater than ortho and para-attack, and the rate of reaction for ortho and para-attack is greater than meta-attack. So, from this discussion, we concluded that the reactivity is controlled by inductive effect and the orientation by resonance. Thank you.